This is your first math activity list. Put your name at the top, and it is due on Friday, September 6th. We have Zern. It is required 3 times for 20 minutes each. Don't forget to set your timer. Check the box when you've completed one. Next, we have an addition and subtraction fluency game required for 10 minutes practice. Complete the Who Can Add and Subtract game with a partner. Write your pair's name on the line, color it in when you're finished. Next, required for 10 minutes, another practice activity. Complete the addition and subtraction facts within 20 page in the resource area. See how many you can get right in 10 minutes. Then check your answer using the answer key. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. For practice activities under measurement, we have required for 15 minutes a practice activity called Spin and Measure. This is independent or pair. Write your pair's name on the line and reflect when you're done. And then we have an optional. Make sure you see your teacher. This is 10-minute practice activity. Complete the measuring vocabulary sheet in the resource area. Scan the QR code to listen to the words and definitions if you need help. This is independent or pair. Write your pair's name on the line and reflect when you're done. Good luck this week.